The Four Seasons brand is an icon of luxury living, synonymous with world-class service, exclusivity, and timeless elegance. In Boston, Massachusetts, you have not one, but two Four Seasons residences to choose from. The original Four Seasons Place, overlooking the public garden, offers classic, understated luxury. Meanwhile, the Four Seasons One Dalton, Boston's tallest residential tower, brings a new level of modern sophistication to the city skyline. In this video, we're comparing old versus new, diving into location, homes, amenities, pricing, and what makes each of these properties unique. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have questions about these properties, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general, please message me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. Both the Four Seasons One Dalton at 1 Dalton Street and the original Four Seasons Place at 220 Boylston Street feature some of the most exclusive and expensive homes in Boston. These prestigious residences offer a combination of 5-star hotel amenities, world-class service, and exquisite private homes, attracting high-net-worth buyers seeking the best the city has to offer. With breathtaking views, top-tier finishes, and exclusive access to renowned Four Seasons hospitality, these condos consistently command some of the highest price points in the Boston real estate market. As a result, they frequently set new pricing records, reinforcing their status as two of the most sought-after luxury addresses in Boston. First, looking at Four Seasons Place, these residences are located at 220 Boylston Street, looking over the public garden on the border of Back Bay in downtown Boston. Four Seasons Place is one of Boston's original full-service buildings with 93 luxury condos. This development was completed in 1985 and was completely renovated in 1993 by renowned Boston-based CBT architects. CBT architects designed the renovations to merge contemporary decor with traditional New England details. Since then, regular updates are made to the common spaces, and of course, residents can make changes to their units as they see fit. This building features 15 total stories and is 186 feet tall. The exterior makes a bold statement with a red brick facade, broken up by large windows on the lower levels and massive triple-height windows on the upper floors. From the front, the building seems to have a rectangular shape, yet dramatically curves at the intersection of Boylston and Charles Street. There are two separate lobbies for hotel guests and the residents of Four Seasons Place. The 5-star hotel contains 273 guest rooms, including 26 luxury suites. These rooms are on the lower floors of the building, separate from the residential units. Four Seasons Place at 220 Boylston Street is located in one of Boston's most prestigious and picturesque areas, directly across from the iconic Boston Public Garden. This prime address places residents at the intersection of Back Bay and downtown, offering an elegant and historic setting with immediate access to some of the city's finest attractions. The Boston Public Garden and Boston Common are just steps away, providing lush green space, scenic walking paths, and seasonal activities. The neighborhood is rich with high-end dining, all within a short walk away. Just minutes away is Newbury Street, Boston's premier shopping destination, lined with luxury boutiques, designer brands, and charming cafes. The nearby theater district offers world-class performances at venues such as the Boston Opera House and Emerson Colonial Theater. Beacon Hill, with its historic brownstones and gaslit streets, is also within walking distance, adding to the area's timeless charm. Additionally, residents have easy access to the financial district, making it a convenient location for professionals. With the Arlington MBTA train station just around the corner and major roadways nearby, transportation throughout the city is effortless. Now, looking at the Four Seasons One Dalton, seated at 1 Dalton Street in Boston's Back Bay, this newer construction development offers a modern and luxurious living experience in the city's tallest residential tower. Completed in 2019, this 61-story glass skyscraper redefines high-end urban living with 160 private residences above the 5-star Four Seasons Hotel. Designed by world-renowned Pye Cobb Fried & Partners, the architecture embraces sleek contemporary aesthetics with a timeless triangular shape, maximizing panoramic views of the city, Charles River, and beyond. The building's height and striking glass facade create a commanding presence in the Back Bay skyline, seamlessly integrating modern elegance with the neighborhood's historic charm. The hotel component occupies the lower floors, offering 215 guest rooms, including luxury suites, while the primary residences begin higher in the tower, ensuring exclusivity and breathtaking views. Residents enjoy a dedicated private lobby and entrance, separate from the hotel guests, as well as a porte cochere for seamless arrivals and departures. One Dalton's prime location places residents steps away from the Prudential Center, Copley Place, and Newbury Street, offering easy access to world-renowned shopping, fine dining, and cultural landmarks. Just across Huntington Avenue, the South End provides a lively atmosphere with some of the city's best restaurants, boutique shops, and galleries. Additionally, the building is a short walk from Symphony Hall, the Museum of Fine Arts, and the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum, enriching the cultural experience. With convenient access to major roadways and the Heinz Convention Center train station minutes away, One Dalton offers quick access to everything in the city and beyond. Taking a look inside the homes, starting with Four Seasons Place, every unit includes at least one deeded garage parking space. Owners have direct elevator access to their homes from the garage or beautifully maintained lobby, which is serviced 24/7 by a front desk concierge and doorman. Stepping into the residences, each home is truly unique as owners have put their own personal touches on the units. The only real consistent element is the oversized windows, portions of which are operable, that have stayed present over the years. The residences are everything but cookie cutter and live similarly to a single-family home. Some units have kitchens split off from the living rooms, while others have been modified to an open concept layout. Recent sales and active listings here show many of the homes have been gut renovated and completely updated with modern finishes and sleek designs, while others have an older, more traditional arrangement. Select residences feature ornamental gas fireplaces. The most desirable units at Four Seasons Place are those which face north, as these homes provide phenomenal public garden and Boston Common views. Other sites which can be seen from these residences include Beacon Hill, the downtown Boston skyline, and even parts of Cambridge. Units range in size from 900 to 4,000 square feet, with 1 to 4 bedroom layouts. Switching to the newer Four Seasons, the residences at One Dalton exemplify modern luxury living with high-end appliances, premium finishes, and thoughtfully designed open-concept layouts. Each home features a kitchen equipped with high-end appliances from brands including Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Miele. These kitchens are adorned with polished marble countertops and sterling gray, high-gloss cabinetry, creating a sleek and modern culinary environment. The bathrooms are designed to provide a spa-like experience, featuring silver wave marble flooring quarried in Greece, which includes radiant heating for added comfort. Additional luxurious touches in the bathrooms include dual vanities, walk-in glass showers, and separate soaking tubs, all complemented by high-quality fixtures. Throughout the residences, floor-to-ceiling windows not only flood the spaces with natural light, but also offer panoramic views of Boston's skyline, the Charles River, and far beyond. The interiors are further enhanced by high tray ceilings, custom millwork, and hardwood flooring, contributing to an atmosphere of refined elegance. Select units boast additional bespoke features such as wet bars, gas fireplaces, and integrated smart home systems that control lighting, audio, and window treatments, allowing for a personalized living experience. Homes range in size between 400 and 7,000 square feet, with studio to 5 bedroom layouts. Now looking at amenities, homes at the Four Seasons Place also come with numerous resident services and spaces. Upon entering the remodeled residential lobby, residents are greeted by a doorman, valets, and 24-hour concierge. The expertly trained Four Seasons staff assist owners with anything they may need: room service, laundry and dry cleaning, along with direct-to-door catering are just some of the services from which residents benefit, as well as around-the-clock security. There is an 8th floor indoor lap pool and jacuzzi which overlooks the public garden in Beacon Hill, as well as a fully equipped gym complete with sauna and an outdoor terrace sanctuary, which is a great place to relax or host guests. Also available to residents is the ability to make priority reservations at Coterie, which is an intimate lobby lounge with park views, showcasing classic New England dishes with a French influence and botanically inspired cocktails. Returning to One Dalton, this development contains 20,000 square feet of amenity spaces, some of which are exclusive to the residences. The wellness floor offers a 65-foot heated indoor pool with floor-to-ceiling windows, a fitness center, spa facilities, and private yoga and Pilates sessions. Residents can refine their skills in the state-of-the-art golf simulator room with a wet bar, enjoy a premium cinematic experience in the private theater, or host gatherings in the family center equipped with a party kitchen. Pet owners benefit from a dedicated pet washing and grooming station, while a private business center provides a quiet and productive workspace. A well-equipped laundry room with oversized washers and dryers offers additional convenience. The Four Seasons team at One Dalton delivers unparalleled service, including 24-hour security, concierge, bellman, in-residence dining, along with housekeeping, valet, dry cleaning, and pet care services. Residents also enjoy priority reservations and signing privileges at Four Seasons hotels worldwide, ensuring seamless access to its world-class offerings. With every detail meticulously curated, One Dalton offers a lifestyle of sophistication, comfort, and exclusivity. Looking at pricing, both properties contain some of the most expensive homes in the city, including residences spanning over $30 million. These two buildings significantly impact the average sales price in their respective zip codes due to their high-end pricing and luxury offerings. At Four Seasons Place, pricing varies by unit size, interior improvements, and orientation within the building. One-bedroom units are typically priced from $1 to $2 million. Two-bedroom residences span between $1.8 and $7 million. For instance, a two-bed, two-bath unit spanning 1,700 square feet is currently listed at $3.2 million, equating to about $1,868 per square foot. Three-bedroom units can reach prices around $14 million. The average sales price per square foot in this building is approximately $2,278, based on recent sales data. In contrast, One Dalton represents a newer addition to Boston's luxury residential market, commanding higher price points. Studios start at around $900,000. One-bedroom units start at approximately $2.3 million. Two-bedroom residences span between $2.8 and $7.5 million. Three- and four-bedroom units are priced starting at $6 million, with larger configurations and combined units going all the way up to $35 million. The average sales price per square foot at One Dalton is approximately $2,783, reflecting its premium status. The Four Seasons Place at 220 Boylston Street has consistently shown one of the highest annual appreciation rates in Boston, with an average yearly increase of around 11%. This impressive rate of appreciation is driven by the building's prime location in the Back Bay, its luxury amenities, and the enduring appeal of the Four Seasons brand. Due to these factors, units at Four Seasons Place continue to perform well on the resale market, with prices steadily rising year after year. This has made it a highly sought-after building for city homeowners seeking stability in a competitive real estate market. The strong appreciation rate also reflects the overall demand for Back Bay luxury properties, where Four Seasons Place is a top-tier option. In contrast, One Dalton, being a newer development, is still in the process of gaining the same level of long-term market performance. While One Dalton has set a new standard for luxury in Boston, its units haven't appreciated as quickly as those at Four Seasons Place, mainly because it takes time for newer developments to achieve the same level of market stability and recognition. However, as the building continues to attract high net worth individuals, it's safe to say unit values will increase over time. Choosing between Four Seasons Place and the Four Seasons One Dalton will depend on several lifestyle preferences. Four Seasons Place offers a more traditional living experience, featuring larger layouts, operable windows, and a variety of interior styles based on previous owner renovations. Its prime location across from the public garden provides stunning park views and walkability throughout Boston. One Dalton, on the other hand, delivers a sleek, high-rise experience with contemporary open-concept layouts, floor-to-ceiling windows, and ultra-modern finishes. The One Dalton location is less busy than that of Four Seasons Place, but still close to everything Back Bay has to offer. If you want old world charm in a prime parkside location, Four Seasons Place is ideal. If you prefer cutting-edge amenities, sky-high views, and a bold, modern aesthetic, One Dalton is the better choice. Overall, both properties are fantastic and deliver an ultra-luxury living experience in Boston's best neighborhood. If you're interested in offerings available for sale or rent in either of these buildings, please message, email, or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge-level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the ones we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points and I'm ready to assist. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.